Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the original media lives and why Final Cut Pro lost it. First, open the library and scan events for red missing badges. That tells you which clips need relinking. Once done, mount the source drive or attach your backup, then use File Relink Event Files and point FCP to the folder that holds the originals. Make sure to match by file name and timecode so relink is precise. This restores media without recreating edits. Next, you handle the trickier middle steps that often block relink. If relink fails, search the Finder for file names or Real ID to confirm duplicates or moved folders. Timestamps help too. Once located, consolidate clips into a single folder or create a new library and import as references so Final Cut sees consistent paths. Also verify whether you're connecting to proxy files versus originals, and relink compound clips and Finally, you complete the fix and confirm everything plays back. After relinking, scrub the timeline, render problem sections, and confirm audio and clip connections are intact. Then update library settings and preferences so caches and media locations match your workflow. That prevents future misses. If clips remain missing, check the drive is mounted, verify file permissions, and resolve duplicate file names. This tip often fixes stubborn cases. Make a quick backup after success so you don't repeat these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.